Hi everyone, welcome back to Crochet Rocks. My name's Tracy and this is my second shout out video, Shout Out Monday. This was a shout out challenge by Brenda Land, who challenged 10 of her friends or subscribers to do a shout out Monday. And each of us have to do 10 channels every Monday throughout February. I did last week, and they don't have to be yarn channels or crochet or craft of any kind. They can be anything you want. So most of mine will be yarny, but some possibly won't be. So if you haven't already, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. There's lots and lots of giveaways this month. It's my birthday month. Lots of tutorials and live streams, all kinds of good stuff. So that being said, number one, these are not in any particular order. It doesn't mean number one is number one. I'm going to get blinded by my own little spotlight. Is Living the RV Loca Life. She's a lovely lady called Rennie, and I've been in her live streams for a long time. One night, many months ago, I was a loose end and I noticed a live stream, so I popped in and I've stayed because she is lovely. She's part of the RV community. She's got a big camper van and they go around the country. They go to meetups. It's kind of the sort of lifestyle I think you wish that you could do. She's got some great trips on there on her videos as well, so well worth a watch. And that's Rennie from Living the RV Loca Life. So second one is a yarny one. It's On the Hook Crochet, and that's Jeannie, and she doesn't really need any shout out from me. She's been doing this for quite some time, but she does have, sorry, I'm playing with my book if you wondered what that was. I can't resist them. So she's been doing this for quite some time. She has, excuse me, just make sure that's in, because I knocked it. She has lots and lots of really lovely things that she makes. She likes to call it wearable crochet style, and it certainly is. She's got a lovely little channel. Most of her patterns, however, you will have to purchase from Etsy store, but she has lots and lots and lots of really lovely patterns, and she does the odd little giveaway too. Debbie, Canadian crocheter, she's number 3. Now she does a lot of podcasts, a lot of live chats, lots of show and tells. She's does some little tutorials now and then as well. Really like Debbie, she's lovely, so check her out. Number 4, now this little lady, she is cute as a button and she's funny. She's got a very upbeat personality. She is always giggling, and that's Fiber Fox Studios. She's got some really lovely tutorials, so check her out. She's lovely. And number 5 is Kyle Crochet, and he's got, let me just make sure I don't miss out. He's got some lovely content as well. Got some great makes on his channel, and he's very cool. So just check him out. Now the next one is nothing to do with crafts. I love this channel. I watch it quite a lot. It's called Guitar Center, and they do interviews with people you love, really, basically. And the one that I noticed, the first one I ever sort of watched was James Hetfield. You know I love Metallica, so watch that one. And some of and then it's not just heavy kind of rock and metal and stuff like that. They do all sorts on that channel. Really like that. The really cool stuff. Watch it, you won't be far disappointed. Number 7 is Pamela's Adoring Crochet, and she shows lots of her work and her crafts, and she's got some tutorials. She's a lovely lady, so just watch out for her as well. I'm going to put all of these in the description box below. If you're on a phone, it's a little downward arrow, but if you blink you'll miss it. It's tiny. But if you're on anything bigger, it's the show more bit. So who else have we got? Oh, Carrie Penny, the Happy Crafty Homemaker. She was one of the very first channels that when I started my channel that I started interacting with, and she gave me some advice which I greatly appreciated. Don't get as much chance to watch her as I used to, but she's a lovely lady. She is really, really nice, and she's interesting. She does really good chats. She reviews, you know, these subscription boxes. She does reviews of things like that. She's very interesting. Definitely give her a look. Number 9 is Chronically Crocheting. She's got some lovely tutorials and giveaways, and she takes part in the community quite a lot, which is great. So that's her. Give her a watch. I'm going to put links in, as I said. And number 10, well, I have to do a little bit of nepotism. Mike Logan Stubbs, that's my son. And if you've liked the music that you've heard in some of my what are they called, slideshows and things, it's him. I always put his music in there because obviously I don't have to worry about copyright. It's my son. So yeah, give him a watch. Do watch out though, he's got a couple of channels, and one's only got a couple of subscribers, but one has got quite a lot, and that's where most of the content is. And I think there's stuff on there from when he was young and he was putting on little piano pieces and things like that. So Mike Logan Stubbs, I'll pop a link into the description box below for all of those channels, and next week, next Monday, there'll be another shout out. So I shall have to get on and check out some of the other channels that I've got listed in here to check out, because I don't just like to shout out a bunch of names. I like to find out a little bit about that channel. Can't resist playing with that book. Sorry, it's probably very annoying noise, but I love them. So yeah, I will do that. I'll do a bit more research, and you'll have another one next Monday. Thanks for watching, everyone. Until next time, bye for now, everyone.